Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2015 Chevrolet Sonic. With the exception of the fog light, all of the headlights are relatively easy to access. While access to those on the driver's side will first require the removal of the washer fluid neck, no tools are needed to disconnect it nor the bulb assemblies themselves from the vehicle, allowing for simple reach-behind access. The battery is quick to find towards the right of the engine. With unobstructed access to the battery terminals and the bracket, both changing and jump-starting the battery will be hassle-free procedures. The spare tire and jack kit are conveniently packaged together in the trunk. This will allow for quick access, simple removal, and an easy setup in the event you'll need to service a flat. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. To access the fog light, the wheel well lining will need to be disconnected and pried back. This may prove difficult, as the wheel well lining can grow sharp and rigid over time and will only offer a tight and obstructed reach to the bulb. All of the taillights are located in a single bulb housing, which must be removed before you can gain access to the bulbs themselves. This will require tools and will prove to be a tedious process. In order to access the lower radiator hose, you'll need to make a deep reach down through the engine bay. This may be a bit hazardous, as it could expose you to other hot engine parts. Overall, despite a couple of challenging procedures, the 2015 Chevrolet Sonic is a moderately easy vehicle to maintain, and would be a good choice for the novice car owner.